Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is a haul video. It's not like a one-time purchase. It was like over the time purchases. So let's dive right into the video. I actually did purchase from Ulta as well as Sephora. So it'll be a mix of both drugstore, high-end, everything. Out of which I have used two things. So we'll talk about it first. The first thing that I purchased is an eyeshadow palette, surprise, surprise. And it is Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. The review of this palette as well as 5 looks with one palette, everything is up on the channel, so I'll link it in the iCards above. Long story short, I love this palette. This is the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today. And this would be like the 7th look that I did using this palette. I cannot keep this down. I feel this is a perfect fall palette to have in your collection. Today I'm using Fall For It, a LA Mode, Love You a Latte, all in my crease and on the lid. And then for my shimmer shades, I have One a Piece of Me on the inner third of the eye, and in the center of the eye I have PSL and Chill. For the outer corner I have mixed Cocoa Drizzle and Warm and Cozy, and that's my eye look. I absolutely love this palette. I feel the things that shine out of this palette is the mattes and like the foiled shades. But yes, you can definitely see all the swatches, the reviews, the looks, all in the video that is attached. So go check it out if you haven't already. Ulta sale is going on right now. If you are not aware of it, there's still a few days left, but the first day was a purchase with Benefit Cosmetics, so I definitely grabbed precisely my brow, and I have in the shade Neutral Medium Brown 3.5. Believe me or not, I've never tried this before, and I want to test it with you guys in another video, so I've kept it safe. I've not used it as yet, but we'll definitely try together. So that was my second purchase. Along with that, I also did buy a random sharpener. You can never get out of sharpeners because I keep losing it. So I just wanted a dual shaped sharpener. So that's what it is. So the next purchase is a lash. Now you guys know how I feel about the lash, but I couldn't skip it, guys. This is 3D foam ink lashes from Ardell, and this is in the style 852. That's it. I don't think they have a name. It's just a number. I absolutely loved it. It says a lightweight Invisiband, and the lashes were so fluffy. It's heavy on the outer corners, so I feel for my rounded eyes, to make it more elongated, that's a best style of lash to have. Why am I laughing is because you will see a pattern at the end of the video. Why I went heavy, I don't know. Okay, so the next purchase was Chi Hairspray, Infra Texture Dual Action Hairspray, and it's another random purchase, but it's a hairspray. You can never get off like a textured hairspray. You know, I have 3 hairs on my head, so to texturize it I need some help, and this is for that. So the next purchase was an e.l.f. blush. Now, I have never tried primer infused blushes before, and I've heard great things about it. So I picked up the shade Always Rosy. Believe it or not, this is one shade, like a plummy shade that I do not have in my collection. Let's open it. I generally tend to choose more like a peachy shade or like a cool tone. Oh man, why is it so? Oh, yeah. Look inside before you open it. Yep, there you go. I feel this is an amazing shade. So this is how the shade looks like. We'll test it out together. I feel it's an awesome shade to have like in the autumn and the winter season coming up. Yeah, when I said you'll see a pattern, this is what I meant. You'll see a lot of blushes in this haul today and a lot of brushes in this haul today. Talking about brushes, let's start with Morphe brushes. So I picked up 2 Morphe brushes, M506 tapered mini blender brush, and the second one is M573 pointed deluxe blender brush. Now, I was particularly looking for these 2 brushes. I was particularly looking for these 2 brushes just because of the shape. I wanted a more precise brush. I'll show you the brushes that I constantly use. It's a bit dirty, so don't mind it. So this is my regular brush, which I use, M441, and this is M443. So this is like a rounded brush for like overall crease blending, and this is more of like a tapered brush. Do you see like a tapered end at the barrel of the brush? These are the two brushes that I generally use. I wanted more of a precise tip for blending like the outer corners and for like detailed placement of the shadows. So I felt this is like such a beautiful brush to have in the collection, just because it's like tapered and pointed. And similarly, this one is more of like a much smaller brush. So this would go like in the lower lash line and on the outer corner, inner corner, halo eye and stuff. So I felt that's two brushes that I really needed in my collection. So that's like a justified purchase. Now, what is not justified but was so intriguing was this, and this is the BH Cosmetics Chilling in Chicago 7-piece eye brush set. I just couldn't pass. Do you see the pattern? Like orange pink vibe that is going on right now. I mean, it's crazy, but I really feel that BH Cosmetics have one of like cheap but best quality brushes. So I could not pass this at all. I love the packaging of it. I love the ombre red orange situation that's happening, and there's a lot of shape of the brushes that I really don't own. So I thought that this would be like needed in the collection. So it comes with flat tapered shadow brush, flat shader brush, small detailed shader brush, fluffy blending brush, small blending brush, dome shape brush, and an angled liner brush. I feel like an eye essential kit. If this works out beautifully, I would definitely let you guys know. We'll try it out together in the next video, most probably, when I'll be trying all these products with you guys. So stay tuned for that, but I'm super excited for this. So when I purchased the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, they gave me this as like a gift, and it's like award-winning minis with it, and it comes with the Hangover Face Primer, all in the mini set, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and as well as their bronzer. I have never had anything from Too Faced before. That was my first palette that I own, and I have those minis with me. So we'll definitely try out a lot of things from Too Faced in the next video. Now, next, let's move on to Sephora. Oh, before Sephora, there's two random brush purchase again. From Sigma Beauty. They had a sale going on pretty much, and this is the second product that I used already, and you would be seeing that in the Too Faced review collection. And I actually used both of these brushes. It comes in like this kind of packaging, and these are like Practic brush set, and I have large blend brush as well as the small blend brush with me. I didn't know why was I sleeping on Sigma before. I freaking love these brushes. I used this in that video and I couldn't stop using it. It's still wet, that's why it's like flying water particles up in the air, because I just washed it. I didn't want to show my dirty brushes to you guys, although I did. Yeah, leave it. So I absolutely love this. This was on a sale. I got both the brushes for $7. I absolutely love the quality and the shape. I cannot stop using this small blending brush in the outer corner of the eye. It's absolutely a dream to work with. This does the work for you. The blending is all done for you when you use this brush. And similarly, this one, it's similar to the Morphe M441, but in a more tapered version. But I'm super excited to own these. The next thing that I bought was Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and this is in the shade Red. It's a cool tone brown. I feel it's a very good grayish kind of a shade to have for the fall autumn season. I don't know about the formula. It seems that it's gonna drag on my lips. We'll test it out together, how it feels on the lips. Now, a bunch of blushes coming up your way. So let's talk about it. But I couldn't pass on it, guys. I mean, I just couldn't. Let's start off with the perk that I got with the purchase, and that is Ole Henriksen Ole Henriksen, right? Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It's vitamin C and rose extract infused cream. We'll test it out as like a primer or underneath the primer in the next video, but I'm super excited for this. It's like in a mini version. Super cute. I love the minis. I'm all up for minis, you know, because I tend up not using the whole thing, and it's a gel cream, so I love that about it because, you know, I have like a combination leaning towards oily skin, so gel creams are always good for us rather than a thick moisturizing cream. So I'm super excited to try that out. Okay. Let's dive into the blushes. Let's dive into the blushes because I couldn't stop myself in getting these blushes, and I've been eyeing this for a long time, and this is from Tower 28 Beach Please blush. What's the shade? Magic Hour. Yeah, and this is in the shade Magic Hour. I love the shade. I love the packaging too. Like, it's such a sleek, modern kind of a packaging, like a clear packaging where you can see the blush shade, and it's a cream blush. I'm on a kick on cream blushes right now, so yeah, you'll see a bunch of cream blushes on my channel now, but this is like a rose nude kind of a shade, all up my alley. I cannot wait to try this. I absolutely think that I'll fall in love with this. We just need to test out the formula, but the color seems right up my alley. Talking about another blush, it's from Selena Gomez line Rare Beauty, and I picked up my shade Love. I love the packaging, guys. I freaking love it. And you guys know how much I love like matte blushes because I have texture on my skin. This, I cannot wait. I cannot. So when I purchased this right on the day when this Rare Beauty was launched. And look at that ball on top of it. It's a brilliant packaging. Anybody who sees this packaging would immediately say that it is Rare Beauty because all the packaging is like in that round, sleek bottle with a ball top. So that's absolutely stunning, I would say. And the shade looks so good, guys. Should I swatch it? Let's watch it. Oh, wow. Oh, this is like, it's a terracotta shade. Another shade that I do not own on my collection. Oh, wow. Super pigmented. Super pigmented, but a beautiful shade. When I saw that she had like matte blushes as well as dewy blushes, I was like, matte for me. I would be all up for the matte. Now, when I did my purchase for that Rare Beauty, on that day, they were having like a Sephora, what do you say, when you get like perks when you spend this much amount, and they were giving out minis of the blush. I was like, yes, for me. And this is in the shade, I think, Grace. Yes, this is in the shade Grace, and this is another beautiful shade to have in the fall, I guess, and the winter for that matter. And this is more of like a pink blush, a warm pink blush. I'll show it to you guys. I love the mini. See how cute it is. Like, this is a full version and this is the mini version. Absolutely cute. But because it's so pigmented, that mini is going to last me for a year, I know. Absolutely beautiful. And that's the pink shade. I don't know, is it a bad swatch, guys? Maybe it is, but it seems super pigmented, so I think we need to be a little careful when we put it on our cheeks. I think blending with a sponge would be the most ideal way to do it, but we'll try all of this in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But that was my haul from the Ulta as well as Sephora. I really hope that you guys liked it. I do not tend to do a lot of haul videos just because I'm a cheap kind of a person. I don't spend a lot of money. I generally wait for a sale to happen to buy products. So if you are seeing any kind of like high-end products or something, it's generally bought on a sale price, except this Rare Beauty thing, which I was super intrigued, and the Tower 28 blush. Yeah. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe if you haven't already, and please ring that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.